does for his lady, but all of the snacks that Araceli and I are giving Toby right now, he's going to take back to Tookie and vomit them back up straight into her mouth. It's disgusting, isn't it? It's gross. But that's your thing, whatever, no judgment. But also some judgment. Wow. You, sir, are the chosen one. Oh my goodness. Now, while I did say before that he is very good for Tookie, he is very much so a man's man. What happened there? Oh my gosh. He is a man's man. He loves hanging out with the fellas, don't you? Yes? He's got his eye on those sheep. He's very suspicious. Aren't you? That's alright. You'll be okay. Finish your snack and then we can go zoom. So, as I was saying before, it is believed that up until the 20th century, still playing with his seed, they thought that the male and female eclectus parrots were completely different species because they had two green parrots together in hopes to breed them. So basically two of Toby, and they're like, what's going on? Why aren't they breeding? There's no eggs. What is this? And then they realised that eclectus parrots are similar to us in a way where they are, sexually dimorphic. So what that means is just looking at them, you can tell which gender they are. Yes, talking about you. Now, obviously, the boys, beautiful, bright green with the blue wings, and the girls, bright red with purple wings, which is really, really cool for their species. It does aid a lot in Toby's ability to camouflage as well, so when he's out there foraging for Tookie, come on handsome, good boy, he blends in with those trees really, really well. Can we show off your feathers before you go home? Yeah, good boy. All right, we're going to go home. Give Toby a big round of applause. He's done so well. Now there is this now Rosa here. Hello, princess. She's only 2 years old, and they are full grown by the time they are 6 months old. So for birds, or for a lot of animals actually, they do need to grow quite quickly to be able to. Oh, where's she gone? Oh, she's looking. Oh, wow, you found it. They need to grow quite quickly to survive. It is a brutal world, the animal world, and only the fittest survive. But Rosa is such a beautiful girl, in visuals obviously, but also in nature. Hi, princess. Well done. That wingspan is major, and she also, with that beautiful tail of hers, I'm not going to touch it because it's very offensive for a human to do that to a bird. It's quite rude. She uses that tail as a steering wheel. So, when she comes back, have a look at her tail and how fanned out it is when she is coming into land on my hand. Araceli and I also love to play games with our green-winged macaws. We love to play hide and seek. Whee! Nice! Good job. You don't care about the sheep, do you? And yes, as I was saying, we love to play. Oh my goodness, bless you. Love to play hide and seek with them. And Araceli is up the back behind you guys, zooming around in all different spots. And I stay in the same spot. So hopefully, she's not suspicious on where Araceli is. But she's figuring it out pretty quickly. They're very, very intelligent. Now, as I said before, Rosa is only 2, and she lives with her sister Halo as well. She says, what are those sheep doing? They're moving. And macaws, come on, well done. Macaws can live anywhere between the ages of 60 to 80 years. The green-winged macaw being most likely might even go over 80 years. Hi, we're talking about you. That's the tiniest seed we've given her for such a big bird, and she's taking her time eating it. Nice. Is anyone in the audience, is any of you guys familiar